Hello, friends. I am Rajendra Patel, Standard 6 English Medium, Subject Maths, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers, Exercise 3.4. Friends, last period we studied about the sum number 1, 2, and 3. Today we are going to study about the sum number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Friends, look here. Question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100. Condition is less than 100, which are common multiplies of 3 and 4. So friends, how we can find the multiplies between of 3 and 4, but our condition is less than 100. So first we write the multiple of 3 less than 100, then we write the multiple of 4 less than 100. After then we find the same numbers among the multiple of 3 and multiple of 4. So look in the board. First I write the multiplies of 3. You know the multiple of 3 is, so 3 table of 3, 3 1 ja 3, 6, 9, add 3 in it, 12, 15, 21, then 24. Like this, add 3 and write again 24, 27 and add 3 in it, so 30, 33 and 36, 39, 42, 45, then 48, then 54, then add 3 in it, so 50. I write all the multiplies of 3. सेवेंटी 78 के बाद 3 ऐड कर दो तो 81, 81 के बाद 3 84, 87, 87 के बाद 3 90, 93, 96 and 99. So these all are the multiplies of 3. Now I am going to write a multiplies of 4. Then 4, 4, 4 2 ja 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, then 36, then 40, then 44, then 48, then 52, then 56, then 60, then 64, then 68, 68 and 72, 76. After 76, 80, 84, 88, 92 and 96. Now you can see here the multiplies of 3 and multiplies of 4. But write all the numbers less than 100 which are the common multiplies of 3 and 4. So which are common in 3 and 4? So look here, here 3 but here not 3. Here 6, here not 6. 9, here also not 9. Here 4 and 8 but here not 4 and 8. So first common multiplies is 12. Because 12 is in the multiplies of 3 and multiplies of 4. After 12, which number are common? So you can look here 24. Like this we have to find common number in both. Then you can see here 12 के बाद 20, 12 का टेबल 12 2 या 24, then 36 तो टेबल ही आएगा 36, then 48 you can see here 48, then 12 5 ja 60, so here also 60, then 72, so here also 72, then 12 6 ja 72, 12 8 7 ja 84, so here also 84, and 12 8 ja 96, so here also 96, here 99 but here not, here 100. Okay, so you can see in the board the common multiplies of 3 and 4 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. So table of 12, 8 तक. तो आंसर 12, 24, 36, then 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 7 ja 84 and 12 8 ja 96. So this is the table of 12 between common. Now sum number 2. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So friends, first listen. What is the meaning of co-prime? Co-prime numbers means which two number has only one is common factor. Without one, no numbers is common. Then these two numbers are known as co-prime. So friends, look here. First we have given 18 and 35. So 18 and 35. So first I am write factor of 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. I am write the 35 factor of 35. So 1, 5 and 7. You can look here. Without 1, nothing, any number is same, common. So these both are co-prime numbers. I am going to say that again, which two number has only one is common. Without one, no number is common. Then these both numbers are co-prime. Like this 15 and 37. You know 37 is prime number and 15 is not prime. Look here, 15 1, 3, 5 and 15. Then 35 has only two factor, 1 and 35, because it is prime. So 1 and 1 is common, so it is also co-prime number. Now 30 and 415. Friends, you know the table, the factor of 15 and 37, factor of 18 and 35 is easy, but factor of 415 is very hard. But we know the divisible test of 5, so we can easily say that here last unit digit 0, here last unit digit is 5. So without 1, 5 is common factor of 30 and 415. So we can say that 13 and 114 are not co-prime. So not co-prime. It is yes, ABS. Why? So without 1, 5 is common in 30 and 415. Look here, 17 and 68. So we know 17 is also prime. Friends, I am going to write the (17) and 68. So 17 is a 1 and 17, right? Now 68. So 1, 2, we can divide by 3. So check 6 and 8, 14. So no. Then by 4. So yes. 7 by 4. Then 17. 68 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 2, 4 7 ja 28. So here we know that 4 and 17. So 17 is common. So do not go again. तो 17, इसमें भी 17 आएगा, तो ये दोनों कॉमन हो गए. तो विदाउट 1, 17 इज ऑल्सो फैक्टर ऑफ 68. सो इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट को प्राइम. नाउ 216 and 215. Friends, 215 and 216 are consecutive नेचुरल नंबर्स. मीन्स वो पास नज़दीक वाले दोनों नंबर नेचुरल नंबर है, और दो नज़दीक वाले नेचुरल नंबर के फैक्टर एवरीडे ओनली 1 होता है. कॉमन फैक्टर ओनली 1 होता है. सो इट इज प्राइम, को प्राइम. नाउ 81 and 61 last. 81 and 61 is prime or co-prime or not co-prime. So look, the factor of 81 and 61. 81 has 1, not 2 but 3, then not 4, 5, not 6, 7, 8, 9 and 99, 9 is 81. 81 has 1 into 81. 2 से नहीं होगा. 3 into 27. 4 से नहीं होगा. 5, 6, 7 से नहीं होगा. 8, 9. 9 9 जा 81. It is cut. So 1, 3, 9 and 81. This is the factor of 81. And 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Now 61. So 61. So we can divide 1 by 61. Then not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 61 is a prime number. According to me, 61 is a prime number. So it is 1 and 61. Friends, we can say here, see here, the 1 is common in 81 and 61. So it is also co-prime number. So here co-prime. Now sum number 6. A number is divisible by 5 and 12. By which number will that number will always divisible? Again, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which number will that number always divisible? तो फ्रेंड्स लुक हियर, एक ऐसा नंबर है जो 5 से भी डिविजिबल है, 12 से भी डिविजिबल है. तो ऐसा 5 और 12 के सिवा कौन सा नंबर होगा जिससे भी ये नंबर डिविजिबल हो? तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 12 and 5, 12 and 5, 12 5 या 60, 60 से नंबर ऑलवेज डिविजिबल होगा फ्रेंड्स. नाउ किसी भी नंबर, सपोज वन नंबर है 15, 15 इज डिवाइजिबल बाय 3, 3 5 या 15 एंड डिवाइजिबल 5. तो 15 और किस नंबर से डिवाइजिबल होगा? तो दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 3 5 या 15, 15 से 15 खुद डिविजिबल होता है. लाइक दिस 12 5 या 60. So a number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that is divisible? तो एक ऐसा नंबर है जो 12 से डिविजिबल होता है, ओनली 12 से. तो दूसरा ऐसा कौन सा नंबर होगा जिससे नंबर डिविजिबल हो? तो फैक्टर ऑफ 12. तो फैक्टर ऑफ 12 इज 12 इज इक्वल 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. But here we have given 12. So 1 2 3 4 and 6. So friends, here exercise 3.4 is over. In next period we will study about exercise 3.4. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.